بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
أتى أمر الله فلا تستعجلوه سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
Allah's judgment has all but come. Do not then call for its speedy advent. Holy is He, and far above their associating others with Him in His divinity.
ينزل الملائكة بالروح من أمره على من يشاء من عباده أن أنذروا أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاتقون.
He sends down the spirit of prophecy by His command through His angels on any of His servants whom He wills, directing them, warn people that there's no deity but me, so hold me alone in fear.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق تعالى عما يشركون.
He created the heavens and the earth with truth. Exalted is He above whatever they associate with Allah in His divinity.
خلق الإنسان من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
He created man out of a mere drop of fluid, and lo, He turned into an open wrangler.
والأنعام خلقها لكم فيها دفء ومنافع ومنها تأكلون.
He created the cattle. They're a source of clothing and food, and also a variety of other benefits for you.
ولكم فيها جمال حين تريحون وحين تسرحون.
And you find beauty in them as you drive them to pasture in the morning and as you drive them back home in the evening.
وتحمل أثقالكم إلى بلد لم تكونوا بالغيه إلا بشق الأنفس إن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم.
And they carry your loads to many a place which you would be unable to reach without much hardship. Surely your Lord is intensely loving, most merciful.
والخيل والبغال والحمير لتركبوها وزينة ويخلق ما لا تعلمون.
And He created horses and mules and asses for you to ride, and also for your adornment. And He creates many things for you that you do not even know about.
وعلى الله قصد السبيل ومنها جائر ولو شاء لهداكم أجمعين.
It rests with Allah alone to show you the right way, even when there are many crooked ways. Had He so willed, He would have perforce guided you all right.
هو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء لكم منه شراب ومنه شجر فيه تسيمون.
He it is who sends down water for you from the sky, out of which you drink and out of which grow the plants on which you pasture your cattle.
ينبت لكم به الزرع والزيتون والنخيل والأعناب ومن كل الثمرات إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يتفكرون.
And by virtue of which he causes crops and olives and date palms and grapes and all kinds of fruit to grow for you. Surely in this there's a great sign for those who reflect.
وسخر لكم الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر والنجوم مسخرات بأمره إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
He has subjected for you the night and the day, and the sun and the moon and the stars have also been made subservient by His command. Surely there are signs in this for those who use their reason.
وما ذرأ لكم في الأرض مختلفا ألوانه إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يذكرون.
And there are also signs for those who take heed in the numerous things of various colors that He has created for you on earth.
وهو الذي سخر البحر لتأكلوا منه لحما طريا وتستخرجوا منه حلية تلبسونها وترى الفلك مواخر فيه ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And He it is who has subjected the sea that you may eat fresh fish from it and bring forth ornaments from it that you can wear. And you see ships plowing their course through it so that you may go forth seeking His bounty and be grateful to Him.
وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وأنهارا وسبلا لعلكم تهتدون.
And He has placed firm mountains on the earth, lest it should move away from you, and has made rivers and tracks that you may find your way.
وعلامات وبالنجم هم يهتدون.
And He has set other landmarks in the earth, and by the stars too do people find their way.
أفمن يخلق كمن لا يخلق أفلا تذكرون.
Is then the one who creates like the one who does not create? Will you not then take heed?
وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها إن الله لغفور رحيم.
For were you to count the favors of Allah, you will not be able to count them. Surely Allah is ever forgiving, most merciful.
والله يعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون.
Allah knows all that you conceal and all that you disclose.
والذين يدعون من دون الله لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون.
Those whom they call upon beside Allah have created nothing. Rather, they themselves were created.
أموات غير أحياء وما يشعرون أيان يبعثون.
They are dead, not living. They do not even know when they will be resurrected.
إلهكم إله واحد فالذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة قلوبهم منكرة وهم مستكبرون.
Your God is the one God, But the hearts of those who do not believe in the hereafter are steeped in rejection of the truth, and they are given to arrogance.
لا جرم أن الله يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون إنه لا يحب المستكبرين.
Surely Allah knows all that they conceal and all that they disclose. He certainly does not love those who are steeped in arrogance.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُم مَّاذَا أَنزَلَ رَبُّكُمْ قَالُوا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ.
When they are asked, "What is it that your Lord has revealed?" they answer, "They are merely tales of olden times."
لِيَحْمِلُوا أَوْزَارَهُمْ كَامِلَةً يوم القيامة ومن أوزار الذين يضلونهم بغير علم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
They say so that they may bear the full weight of their burdens on the day of resurrection, and also of the burdens of those whom they misled on account of their ignorance. What a heavy burden are they undertaking to bear.